Yo, what's going on, guys? Let me put this down for just a second. So I'm currently looking at EuroCAD and EuroJPY. I think and Euro USD, not EuroJPY. They are like the most probable trades. And for me this week, I make a new trading plan. Not a new trading plan, but I revise my trading plan every single week, and just based on my last week's results. So for this week, I'm gonna I have to stick to really high probable setups. I want higher time frames to be definitely a play on this. I know Euro NZD, it's bullish. There's definitely enough risk to reward toward this level that I have right over here. The pivots are not in the way, which I kind of like. Pivots are right over here. Um, and so like the 4 hour liquid 50s in the buy zone, EMAs are bearish, so it's kind of on trend. 1 hour liquid 50s in the buy zone, and then EMAs are bullish, but could be a little bit much better. So just currently looking at that, I'll still put Euro NZD as kind of part of my watch list, because like again, it's not the most high probable in higher time frames, but toward the 15-minute on the intraday, it's EMAs are bullish. It's a clean D1. There's enough risk reward to take it up top. It is a swapping liquid 50, so that does take it a point off. And EuroCAD, there's no swap. Well, yeah, there isn't a swapping liquid 50, but the only thing is there's not actually like a D1 off the 50. So this will be an off-edge trade if I ever took it. And then for Euro USD, basically like for Euro USD, it's a swapping liquid 50, but the higher time frames are bull bias. So we'll see. Right now I like EuroCAD and what it's presenting. Hopefully it comes down toward the 50, and then maybe I can get like enough risk to reward to take it up to maybe this pivot or to the high of day or to the previous high. But yeah. Oh, because Barrett is supposed to join me today, Austin. Yeah, there's no entry, I know. But if it goes below the 50 and holds, then I'll look for taking a D1. But yeah, that's currently what I'm looking at. Barrett's supposed to join me in a second. Hopefully he's up. If he's not up, I'm gonna have to fucking call him. This fool, he's been sleeping in too much. Yeah, usually on Euro USD, like it's not like the most traded pair in my stats, but it's definitely like whenever I do enter a trade on Euro USD, I do have a high win rate on Euro USD, and I tend to just do really good with Euro USD. I've always done really good with like the intradaying and swing trading Euro USD. So um, that's why I like it. I know it's not like the cleanest where you can get like fucking giant moves like we saw like on Monday. What was it, like last Monday, where we saw like a clean fucking like this giant move from right over here. But because you usually don't see those on Euro USD, just because it usually is just shit. US dollar is shit, basically. But there is like really clean setups sometimes on it. Let's see earnings. Looks like it could be off this little level right over here. It's definitely bearish. You can clearly tell it's fucking bearish. So let's see if it holds this little, I guess, support. Liquid 50 is definitely fucking full out, just in the sell zone. But yeah, I feel like it's gonna break this level by today, most likely. Just because of this, it's honestly like, candle formation right over here. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to call Barrett. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna call Barrett because he's not awake. You're awake, bro? Now you are? What? Your alarm didn't wake you up? I'm your fucking alarm clock now. Now am I? We'll get up, bro. I'm looking at Euro CAD, Euro USD, and Euro NZD to take. Actually, looking at mostly Euro NZD at the moment. Alright, bet. Hop on, put some fucking makeup on, brother, and then, jump in a call with me. Alright, no problem, bro. I see ya. Man, I have to be like fucking babysitter to Barrett or some shit like that. Looks like it's pushing up. The little retest. Austin, are you already are you taking this right now? Yeah, for sure. Everyone like watching this EuroCAD, there is like divergence on it, but it's not off the edge. It has to be coming down to the 800 EMA right over here. So, not edge if you guys take it. I'm actually like just waiting for like possibly for it to come down toward and touch the 800 EMA slash 50. So it's not an edge D1 trade. But anyways. Are you gonna be taking your NZD right now? The indicator that I use for the pivot points is the pivot traditional auto. You can find it on like just searching up in TradingView, but looks like there's some momentum right now on your NZD. I haven't taken this yet, but I wonder if Austin has taken it already. Looks like Tim Brett or something. Yeah, he took it, the EN. What was his name? Michael. He took it on the first break of the 50. It's like right over here. Stop right there. I'll probably put my right over here. Stop right here, and then it's already up 1.5 hour on this. If you took it on the first break of the 50. But I'm actually waiting for a retest. If it presents, if it doesn't, then I'm good. With my trading plan this week, like I said again, I tried creating a trading plan, like a revised trading plan every single week. So for this week, I'm like basically just chilling. I was up like what, like 4%? Yeah, 4% last week, 5% the previous week. So I'm literally up like 9% so far this month. So I'm just basically taking it easy, you know, just making sure that I'm, you know, sticking to the higher probable setups because I think it's important, just based on my stats last week. And then whenever I'm trading indices as well, I did revise one or two. I added one or two things into my trading plan. You know, making sure that I take advantage of the pin low levels right over here. So these levels that you guys see right over here, um, these levels that you see right over here, you know, I have to definitely keep an eye on that. You know, because this is a high. This is what you call a high. You know, and they definitely count as something. You know, they definitely do something. Especially in indices. So I have to just, you know, make sure that, you know, whenever I get into a trade, I'm in the right side of the direction. I get, you know, I get into the momentum really fast, lock my stop as soon as I can, and then there's enough risk to reward to take it up to these pin high levels or levels just in general. So yeah, that's what I have in my trading plan this week, based on my, you know, my trades last week. But yeah. All right. So where do I put my phone? Oh, it's right here. So liquid 50 is in the buy zone, so I'm just basically waiting for like a retest. If we get one, I would like to take it up to, you know, previous zone right over here. But if it takes off, you know, hey, it is what it is. You know, I don't really, you know, I don't really mind missing a setup on a Monday. So you can clearly see this is the little diversion break right over here, and then it makes a higher low from right over here, and then breaks to 50, and now it's going off right now. So I want EuroCat to go all the way down to the 50. Yeah, I think I may have missed the entry on EN, or maybe not. That's not a retest. I want to see a retest off the 200 EMA if I do take it, or the 50. So let's see. It's going down. So I knew there's probably going to be a retest. Just looking at, like, just, you know, path on, like, literally backtesting, guys. You can clearly tell that, not clearly tell, but you can kind of like guesstimate on whenever you're going to see a pullback. Just because, like, it first breaks to 50, yeah, it does make a previous higher low, but if it just first breaks to 50 with that much momentum, there's usually going to be a pullback where it gives you a higher low. You can definitely take this. Like, if I took this, I could definitely, like, take it to about 1.5 bar, lock my stop, probably get stopped out, and then re-enter and add over here. But that's just me. But, you know, right now it's coming down, so let's see if it holds the 50, and then I want to see a clean bounce off the 50. If there's no clean bounce, then I'm not going to take it. So right now we're seeing some momentum on, like, you know, the sellers right now, so it's not really holding the 50 at the moment, so let's see what we see here. So if I was going to take it, I was probably going to take it right over here. My entry is going to be right over here. And then I'll probably put my stop about right over here, this pins. It should be right over here, but I'm using it. I'm gonna put it a little bit less for better risk to reward. And can I get 2R on that? Yeah, I can. Yeah. I can get 1R to this toward these highs. So if it does, you know, reverse on these highs, I can lock my stop, take 50% off, and basically, you know, be good for the time being. So I'm not worried about that. Now we're seeing a kind of a bounce off this level right now at the current moment. So I rarely trade Euro NZD, but since for this week for my trading plan, I have it revised toward, you know, trading higher probable setups and, you know, just basically our system. So, you know, I'll be looking to take this trade, you know, usually because of my trading plan, because my trading plan states that I can. All right, let's call Mr. Barrett. Yo.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sweet.
How's it going, brother?
Don't have any of my sleeping fucking meds, so I've been sleeping like shit and sleeping in.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't fall asleep until like 1 a.m. That's why I didn't wake up my alarm.
I woke up. I want to sleep like at fucking 11:30.
Yeah.
But I'm looking at Euro NZD right now and EuroCAD. I like EuroCAD how it's moving down slowly. So if it touches the 800 EMA, like I'll definitely want to see for a D1 off the 50 right over here. So, but I'm also looking at Euro NZD. I'm pretty sure. I think Austin took Euro NZD because I know Ryan. I heard Ryan said in VIP chat that he's with him. But there's a lot of momentum. There's a lot of momentum right now. So I don't bearish momentum. So I'm not really liking it.
I'm looking on the higher time frames. Not a lot of things look good.
On your NZD?
Yeah, on EN, it's like kind of rejecting off that key level. Actually, I was kind of looking to take it short, so I don't know where he took it, but on the 1 hour, you can't break past 7.4, 7.5. Like it just isn't doing it. It's also divergent.
Where?
So check out the 1 hour.
Yeah, I see it.
On EN?
From these pins. You mean to take it long, right? He's gonna use enough risk to reward to take it long off these levels right over here. For maybe 1 or 2
I
hours.
mean,
So
I
it's
don't
just
know what he sees in the short term, but all I'm seeing is on the long term. It doesn't.
oh, long
I
term,
try to stay
no,
away
it's
from
shit.
things
Like
that are not comfortable on
I
these
mean,
higher time
EMAs
frames.
are like it's short, like you can clearly tell that the short term EMAs are bullish, but like, you know, EMAs are fucking shit. It could be so much better. TDI is still in the buy zone, like the liquid 50 is still in the buy zone in 1 hour, so that's
No,
definitely
no, I know.
a plus. But you know, you can clearly tell that on like your NZD, you know, the daily, it's fucking shit. It's against your direction. The 4 hour, the liquid 50 is in the buy zone, but the EMAs are bearish.
Yeah.
So for the higher
Like I
times,
said, man, I just don't really like it unless I have confluence. I'm trying to get very picky on what ideas I produce or what ideas I trade.
yeah, for this week, I have my trading plan revised to trade higher probable setups. Now your NZD, the higher time frames are shit, but for the intraday to take it to enough risk to reward to for like 1 or 2 R, you know, it's obviously the liquid 50s in the buy zone. There's no divergence on the 50-minute against your direction, and that's what I'm looking for. To take it just literally like enough risk to reward to take it 2 R. But like honestly, like if EuroCAD presents, I'm honestly taking EuroCAD over your NZD for sure, 100%. Because all the higher time frame buys on EuroCAD, it's fucking long.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Are you tripping, bro?
Yeah, hey, I think I got you back.
Oh.
I don't know why my internet just froze up.
Oh. What the fuck was I saying? Basically, like, I was looking to take it If your EuroCAD presents, I want to take it long.
What I'm really watching, which could be interesting, is GA short. On the 1 hour, it's rejecting off the 200 EMA right now. It's also divergent on the 5 minute. So it'd be kind of like a swing trade, a D1 trade, which would be interesting.
Mm-hmm.
But the risk reward is probably not going to be that good. But considering GA has been trending for a while now, bearishly, doesn't really show any real sign of stopping. Well, it's kind of sort of divergent on the bottom on the daily, but not really.
You sound so
weird.
dead. You sound so dead, brother.
Bro, I don't know. Like, I just cannot. When the second my head hits the pillow, my mind goes 1,000 miles an hour, and I can't shut it off without some sort of drug. But not like actual drug. I'm talking like melatonin or Benadryl. Not like
weed.
Yeah, not just getting hammered before bed so I can sleep.
No, bro, I'm the same thing, bro. Literally, fucking last night, I'm thinking about trading. I'm thinking about like my businesses. I'm thinking about what should I do better, bro. I fucking think about a lot of shit whenever I sleep. And then I get the.
I was thinking about stupid shit, man. At least those thoughts are like, grown up thoughts. I think about starting playing Minecraft again, dude. My mind's a dick.
No,
ridiculous.
bro, like I've been fucking dreaming about like I dream fucking weird shit. Not gonna fucking lie, bro. I fucking dream weird ass fucking shit sometimes. I get like I don't know if I even should say this in stream, like, cause I'm fucking streaming, but I get a lot of fucking weird sex dreams. I get a lot of fucking literally like 2 nights ago, I dreamed that I was a fucking spy for the FBI or some shit, and then like I went to China.
That's cool.
Yeah, I went to China.
Those are the cool dreams,
Not really, cause I die in all of them, bro.
Oh, that's not fun.
Have you ever had dreams wherever you're like falling off the cliff and like it's a never endless cliff?
Yeah. You know what's actually really funny? How I manifest my stress in dreams. I manifest it by. It's always the same thing. I always end up smoking weed in the military. I'm talking about for years. That whenever I get stressed out, that has been my stress dream. It's just like the constant fear of getting drug tested.
Oh my god. Bro. Yeah, that could be scary, brother. They did a drug test on me whenever I went to MEPS.
Yeah. For the life of me, I cannot tell what their trade was on EN.
What do you mean? I want to know where Austin, like, where he took it long. Let me look at the VIP chat.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5 minute. Maybe he took it on like the 1 minute D1.
Yeah. He's looking.
No, there's no divergence on bottom for a retracement.
On EN?
I guess there is, but that happened in the Asian session. It broke above the Asian session at like 11 o'clock last night.
What? What are you talking
Never
about?
mind, I'm fucking half asleep still. What are you talking about?
There's 1 minute divergence on EN. There's several divergent points that I have in my chart. But there's a lot of bearish momentum. So I kind of don't like that at all, especially with this fucking pin. So I don't think I want to take this because I don't feel comfortable with those pins right there and that bearish momentum. Like you can clearly tell like the fucking sellers are like trying to play some kind of game right now. So I don't really want to like go for it. Even though this trade goes toward the direction. These big bearish bars, this pin right over here. Like I just want to see clean bullish momentum toward the upside. Is that hard enough? Who knows? There's so many ways you guys can fucking like point out divergence. But
What's up?
I definitely see that. I definitely see what Ryan is. Okay, fuck, I missed the entry. Literally just like that, I fucking missed the entry. I was looking at fucking divergence, and then like literally the next second, I just missed the fucking entry. Well, bullshit. That's so fucking hilarious. I was literally fucking looking at the divergence on it, and then just like that, missed the entry on it. Well, you win or you lose sometimes, guys. That's so fucking hilarious. That's how it is whenever you're day trading, guys. Literally, fucking 1 second you're like in it, and then second you're like, fuck. But I definitely like how it retests the divergent line. Whenever you see this, guys, you're gonna see a lot of fucking momentum toward the upside, which is what you saw right over here. So 7 pips. So I didn't get the entry that I wanted to take, unfortunately. But I did take it just because for me there's enough risk reward to lock it at 1R from right over here, like close half, and then there's enough risk reward to take it right over here toward this level. So even though like I didn't get the entry that I wanted to, like at all, you know, because I really wanted to take this entry off right over here. That would have been a clean risk to reward setup. You know, we'll just see what it does. You okay?
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Not seeing a whole lot of like.
I have Euro CHF in my watch list to take it short if you want to take a look at that.
Euro CHF?
I mean JP CHF, my bad. Yeah, I just fucking pushed all the way fucking down. So right now it's making higher lows from right over here. I still like it on like the overall, where it's still making higher lows, as you can see here. Higher low, still making higher lows. So we'll see. And I still like how it bounced off this divergent line right over here. So this actually was a trade in Tuesday or Wednesday that I took where it bounced off the divergent line. And, you know, basically we saw a lot of momentum toward the downside. I mean toward the upside, my bad. But as you can see with this divergent right over here, we look to always take it off the level. I mean, for me, I wouldn't recommend anyone doing this because you need to have experience first. But off this level right over here and off the head of this divergent line right over here as well, this is a significant level to take it off with for sure, because this is the second point, the higher low, and it hits the diversion, which is really fucking nice, and this level could hold for a really fucking long time. So this is a trade like I took, I think, on Wednesday on JPY, I believe, where it was just like this. It hold the level throughout the whole fucking day, and basically just went like 10R. So I like that. Yay! Fucking awesome. Our video goes live today at 9 a.m. That we had, what is it, like the interview? A couple days.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Bro, you're fucking you're just you sound so fucking high right now.
Bro, I'm dying. I'm dying.
I don't even.
Oh, sweet.
I don't even fucking drink a lot of coffee. And I'm so Gucci.
What's up?
I don't even fucking drink a lot of coffee and I'm so Gucci.
Yeah, well, I do.
I get my new pre-workout coming in today, bro. I'm so fucking excited. And yes, finally.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I can't fucking wait. Bro, I'm such a fucking drug addict when it comes to pre-workout. Literally. I don't do drugs, I don't do alcohol, but fucking pre-workout, let's go.
Fucking mad, man. That shit's... You're gonna fucking stop your heart. It'll be a good time.
Me, bro? Fuck no. I run 2 miles for easily. I'm gonna do a 10-mile ruck at the end of this month, so wish me luck.
Nice. Nice.
I'm wondering if I should take 10 scoops of pre-workout for that.
No, don't take any pre-workout.
I'm gonna take 1 scoop. Just 1 scoop.
Okay, take 1 scoop. A tiny scoop.
Fucking 1 big ass scoop.
Jesus Christ.
The workout that I got, the pre-workout that I got 2 kinds of pre-workouts. I got ESP, the blueberry version, and then I also got the God of War one, which is fucking insane.
Nice.
So I'm
Nice.
excited to try that out. I feel like I'm gonna be bulking for I think about 2 more months, 3 months, maybe 4 months, maybe at the end of this year. I want to hit probably a 250 bench, a 405 squat, and then a 405 deadlift, and then I'm done.
You gotta fix your back before you do that, bud.
My back's fucking fine, bro.
Okay.
No, it's been honestly good. I haven't felt any back pain yet. The only thing
There's a potential D1 on EG. Kind of.
You have EG as my
When I
seat.
say kind of, it means it's divergent on top, which kind of sucks, but it's on the 15-minute and the 1-minute. You've got a hell of a lot of divergence on the 1 minute. It's been building since 2:30 this morning.
You're not looking at JPCHF? Oh wait, it's swapping. It just swapped. Never mind. But I feel like this thing is gonna go. It's gonna go fucking down by the end of the day. I like these rejections right over here. Euro USD, nothing good there. GPAED, nope. Euro GPY. Yeah, I see it.
Hey, check out the EG trade.
Yeah, I'm checking it out right now. You want to take it long? Because I think it's off the daily pivot as well, which is fucking that's a really nice sign that it could go up today. So you should it is it is divergent, but like there's enough risk to reward to take it up, bro. Way
Oh
more
yeah,
than
no,
what
that's what I
that.
saw. Like, there's a good amount of divergence there, but like the risk to reward is ridiculous. Like, I'll take the 3.5 hours that divergence zone any day.
Yeah, I like it. I just want to see, where the higher time frame's telling me. So 1 hour, like it's bullish, so that's a good sign. 4 hour bullish, one daily bullish too. So that's yeah, fucking like this actually.
Yeah. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds.
Yeah, I want to see some like kind of like direction. I mean, some kind of like
I gotta see what structure it's gonna
structure.
pull though. That's
Yeah,
that's the only thing.
because like that fucking like 1 minute pullback.
Yeah.
That's some sketchy shit, bro.
Yeah, but I mean, it's in that divergent line, so I'm not even too worried about that. Like, if you
Yeah,
drew it out,
yeah, I see it. Yes,
that's
sir.
like
Yes, sir.
actually literally exactly in the trend line. So, not worried at all.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
So if this works out, that'll probably be a pretty solid trade. The only thing else that I see, really, is the GA trade D1 off the 1 hour. But honestly, price structure could be better on the 1 hour. It's can't get past a significant level, but I mean,
Six,
I've got
seven, eight,
enough
nine,
risk and
10.
reward to make it work. So I've got an alert set to let me know when it crosses underneath the 50 on the 5 minute. But other than that, I'm just chilling.
Mm-hmm.
Straight fucking chilling, bro.
So if it breaks over this level, guys, I'm gonna take half of my risk off. And then what I'm looking to do, this is what I rarely do, but it does say in my trading plan that I'm able to do this, is actually put my stop all the way down to this level, right over here. So I'm adding 4 more pips of risk. And that's because I believe that, price will hold its structure really well. So, yeah, I'll move my stop from right over here to here. So I'm adding 4 pips of risk, but I'm taking half of my risk off on the break of this EMA right over here. So, and then, so just because like my risk will be out of the table basically, half of my risk will be out of the table. But I only do that if I think, if it's gonna hold that level. And I think, for sure, like it's off the divergent line as well as, it's this zone right over here. So I only do that on some cases whenever I think it may hold this level. And I'm really confident that it could hold this level because it looks like, my, just usually from my back testing, it always usually holds that level. But yeah. That's why I close half of my risk because, again, I could be wrong and I don't want to lose more money if I just kept my full position all the way down here. So yeah, that's my plan at the moment. Still holding the 800 right now, so we'll see.
Oh my god. Dude, I gotta pick up like some fucking Ambien or something. I'm dying.
How's the fucking move so far, bro?
What's up?
How's the move going so far?
I mean, I'm all moved in now.
You bought all
Put
your
all my
shit?
shit together, so while I'm on the charts today. I just gotta buy some like more household stuff, like a shower curtain, some Benadryl or some Ambien or something like that.
Mhm. You're gonna be you're like near Fort Braggs, right?
Yeah, I'm right outside of it. That's where I work. It was nice. I got 2 weeks paid time off because
The quarantine.
I passed through a quarantine city, and so now I'm just chilling.
That's fucking sick.
You're waiting for me to die. It's kind of nice.
I thought you get a little bit more than that.
So no, so you get 10 days PTDY, and then you get Uh, you get 10 days PTDY, and then you get, in this case, the 2-week quarantine. So if I want to, I can take another 10 days off for living arrangements.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm technically not allowed to leave the house, which really means just don't get arrested outside of your house. Because that's the only way they'll find out is if you get arrested. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just chilling.
That's fucking lit, bro. Is your girlfriend gonna visit you?
She's super busy. She's probably gonna visit me later on, like early in August.
I got you, I got you. I thought everyone's out in school right now, isn't it?
What's up?
Is she still in school?
Yeah, she's still in school for like another year, actually.
Right now, I thought it's summer break. Is it?
Yeah, it's summer break, but the problem is she's got fall and spring semester to go. Since she switched her major.
What's she doing?
She's gonna be a doctor.
Damn.
Yeah.
Medical school is fucking hard, brother. Fucking.
Yeah, so is trading.
You're right. You're basically gonna be the dad of the house, fucking making the bank, right?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna have some pretty stiff competition, but
What do you think about the wife making more money than the husband?
I mean, I don't really care per se.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird, man. I can go down a rabbit hole that I'm not willing to go down on Discord about that. But
I got you, bro.
it's weird because like on one level I don't care like at all. On the other level, I think it's good for the man to be like it's good for his health to be relied upon. I think that's the reason why men kind of exist is to be relied upon.
Exactly.
Like biologically, I mean, it's not just like
throughout time, brother.
it's
Yeah.
not just like philosophical, esoteric bullshit. Like it fulfills men to be relied upon in all sorts of different ways.
Exactly.
So it kind of takes that from them. But at the end of the day, man, if you're chill with it, it doesn't really matter. It's your life, not mine.
Yeah, for me, honestly, like, I don't know, like, for me, like, I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm for it, like, if she makes more money, it's not like I'm fucking gonna hate on her, like, I will love her so much for, like, you know.
Yeah, I'm not gonna bitch about my wife until, like, I keep making more money than me.
Because she worked hard for that shit, you know? She worked hard to go to school and shit like that, but for me, like, honestly, like, I would like to make more money than, like, I want to be, like, the provider. That's why, like, you know, it's the family, the head of the family or whatever, so, you know, I'll be kind of, like, in two directions where, like, you know, I want to, like, make sure that I make more money. Like, not, like, fucking, like, jealousy type or anything like that, but, like, you know, I would like to think that I'll be the provider of the family, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I told my girlfriend, even as a doctor, she wanted to, like, stop working and just become a fucking stay-at-home mom or whatever you want to call it. Like, my goal is to be able to allow her to do that if she wants to.
Yeah, for sure. That's, like, for me if I ever get there.
Yeah. Oh. Damn, dude. Just fucking chilling on EG. Probably gonna make
it's falling still.
another strike against the divergent trend line on the RSI.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's headed right now.
I see that. It could make like a higher low too.
Potentially, man. It's got like there's like literally the 4 bars from 527 onward just kind of fucked my shit. But yeah, so it looks like it's falling pretty hard now. I kind of there we go.
Wait, what? It fall down?
Oh, jeez. It's just so funny to watch these bars in the 1 minute, dude. They jump all over the place, man.
They do. So right now, EN is just really fucking choppy. Um, you know, Liquid 50 went back in the sell zone, which is something you don't want to fucking see at all, especially whenever you're trading D1s. So, I took half
Also
of...
talking about EN.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a clusterfuck. I honestly like. I don't see what they saw like, at all.
It's
I'm
making
usually
higher
pretty good at
higher
seeing
lows right
what
over
you
here.
can see
So
like on
for
their
me,
like goals and stuff. I just don't see shit.
it may take. I have to go. Yeah, for me, we may see like a retest on the 50-minute 50. Right over here. It's still holding off this level, which is something you definitely want to see. But you know, it is making like it is falling. It's still holding that level. But for me, I took half already, half of the risk already off, because I don't like it and I don't feel comfortable with it. With like what it's doing on the 1 minute right now. But you know, I still like the analysis. I still like the setup. You know, I still like it hit divergence right over here, and I know it's holding this level pretty good. So we'll see about it. You know, I think it just needs to retest the 50-minute 50 for quite like maybe 1 or 2 times of a retest, and then finally it'll go up. Because like right there, from this divergence, yeah, it is making a higher low from right over here. You can clearly see higher low, higher low. So what I'm expecting is basically, you know, a higher low, retest of the 50, pull, and then a pull off the 50 for like a retest making a higher high from right over here. But again, it may just basically break through the 50 and go all the way down. So if it does, I already took half of my risk out. I may re-add in later once I see more confirmation of that. But yeah.
I don't know the EN trade. Looking at it at the on a 1 hour, it's divergent and it's on the daily chart. It's pinning the 200 right now, so we'll see where that goes. If anything, I'm looking to take it short, but that's gonna be for on the 1 hour. It's probably not gonna be for the rest of the day.
Yeah, we're going intraday, brother. So we just
I know.
we just want to catch about like what, like 20 pips. With stuff like this, guys, you guys just have to be patient. You know, with D1 trades, especially NZD, it's a fucking NZD pair. So we know NZDs are much fucking slower. So I'm just being patient with it. D1s, you have to have some form of patience on it. Yeah, it's choppy right now. Clearly, it's making higher lows. Liquid 50 went back in the sell zone. So, but you know, clearly, so this is it's still on an incline from right over here. The Liquid 50. So inclining, you clearly see it's, you know, it's inclining. You could just see a pullback, and from right over here. So we'll see. I'm being patient with it, so you know, that's all. You gotta be patient with these setups. EG is falling. Let's see if it bounces from that line.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it.
Bum 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 bum. Oh fuck! I'm not even looking at my pair. You're a cad.
It's funny. EG is also presenting a D2, a bearish D2 on a 1 hour.
Hmm.
We'll see where it ends up going.
Damn. They're really making us be looking so cute on this thumbnail, bro.
What's up?
They're making us look really fucking cute in the thumbnail.
Huge or cute?
Cute. Huge. Actually, technically
Oh,
huge
yeah.
too. They made me fucking look fat.
Nice. Nice. It's at the 5-minute 800 EMA, so we'll see where this goes.
On EG?
Yeah, I'm still rooting for it to go long. I still like it. We'll see where this goes, though. Like, that's kind of my motto in trading. Is just, yeah, we'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else, and you're getting married to ideas, you know?
Yeah.
Because I have the option of taking it short under 1 hour D2, but like there's no real zone of support, so I'm not going to do that. Bearish daily is still bullish, so I'm not going to take it short on the 1 hour. You know, and there's all sorts of divergence in the bottom, so it just doesn't make any sense.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. Just chilling in fucking Cedar Rapids for now.
Mm-hmm. I'm currently waiting on EG. NZD. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out.
Oh, you're talking about getting stopped out at EN?
Yeah. So let's see if it
Yeah.
holds this level. If it doesn't, then it does not hold that level. I already closed half of my risk right over here, so we'll see. Bum 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 bum. Doo-doo-doo. Oh boy.
What's up?
What?
Nothing.
I love when it rains red today. Just kidding. Bum bum bum. Is it gonna get stopped out or is it gonna go up? Are we gonna retest this level and go up, or are we gonna get stopped out? Let's see.
Love that feeling, you know?
I'm actually happy right now. I'm not feeling any emotions, brother.
That's the way to do it, man.
Yes,
That's the way
sir.
to do it.
This is strange because like I've been having all my losses. I never have an actual like flat loss, like a full out loss. I usually have a break even loss, or if I ever take a loss on that day, it's usually a break even day because I take another trade or I take a re-entry.
Yeah.
So let's see. I usually very rarely be taking like a flat loss if I do. So let's see if we. I still think we can see some stuff on Ian right now. We just have to be patient about it.
Ugh. I don't know, maybe I'm just stubborn, but it's fucking trending downwards
It's still holding the structure, guys. Like you guys can't say it's completely done. You guys clearly see it's holding the structure from right over here. It held this zone. This is why I was confident. This is why I was fucking confident with this zone, because literally just fucking bounced away from it from the 1 minute. Yeah, it may fucking stop me out, but that's why I have my rules. That's why I have my stop right over here, because toward that zone. You know, I know from that fucking zone it's gonna pop off always. Like 85% of the time it's gonna pop off according to my back test. Now is it gonna bounce, and is it gonna hold and retest and go up, or is it gonna basically bounce from this level and then just retest and then fall down? That's the question that we have to be looking for. But I still feel like, you know, we still have another 1 minute. We could see like basically a higher low retest and then go up again. So we'll see. But I'm not gonna like, you know, say that it's completely fucking done, because like it's still holding that previous higher low. That's something you definitely want to see. And just read the liquid 50 on the 50 minute. It's perfectly in the buy zone right now. EMAs are bullish. Those are the trend indicators that we use. It is bearish divergent. I mean, not bearish divergent on the 50 minute, but on the 1 hour it is. But you can take it off toward this zone right over here. And you can technically take it off right over here as well. So to say like, you know, EN is done, it's not. You know, it's clearly still trying to hold structure right over here as it bounces from this higher low. That's definitely something you want to see. And it's still continuing going up. This is why, like, you know, I fucking, that's why I moved my stop from down here to over here, and I took half of my risk because of this right over here. Whenever you see a bounce on the diversion line, that's a fucking significant level right there that you guys have to look for. So let's see if we actually retest and go up, or we just retest and then go down. So we'll see. Oh, dang it. Like, it's just undecisive right now. It's choppy, guys, basically. I see it that we still have for me, the probabilities of it going bullish, it's probably like, it's 60%. And a 40% chance that it may just stop me out right here. Because of how it's holding that structure. You know, it fails to make, you know, a new higher low, but it retests the higher low from right over here. So we'll see what it does. Just staying patient, guys. If you guys
So-
can't deal with the patience, then don't trade D1s.
I'm like barely paying attention at this point. I've got my alerts set that yell at me whenever something happens. Other than that, I'm just chilling.
Well, obviously with this swapping liquid 50, guys, you're gonna see some kind of pullback and some kind of indecision. Always, 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 always.
Yeah, the only way I'm going to take that EN trade is short on the 1 hour.
You do you, brother.
One thing I don't like about taking a D2 short on the 1 hour is that the daily is kind of just sitting there. It's not really going anywhere. It's been kind of bearish, but it's got the 800 EMA on the bottom, which I don't like.
Mm-hmm. Yay, finally fucking Eurocat went down to the 800 EMA. Now, very rarely will I take 2 entries.
What's
but
up?
If it presents more on Eurocad, I may just take Eurocad. Ooh, it's about to stop me out. Oh god. I'm so fucking sad that I lost money. No. That's not how you're supposed to think, guys. If you get stopped out, don't fucking have emotions on it, alright? We know from our D1s and D2s, we're very rarely wrong, we're just really early sometimes. So for me, if I get stopped out right here, you know, I will look to take it, you know, possibly look for a re-entry if it presents. I'm not going to chase a trade, don't get me wrong, but if a re-entry presents, I'll look to take it for a re-entry. You know, you can't have any emotions when you're trading these kind of trades, guys, these kind of systems. You know, you have to be like, oh, like, I know what I'm trying to, you know, accomplish, basically. So, yes, sir. So we gotta stop that on that. I like Eurocad.
You're good?
Yeah. Eurocad, what was someone saying about Eurocad? That it was fucking like. Does.
EU is about to make a shift candle though. It'll be kind of interesting.
So someone said, does Eurocad look dangerous because of the ADR? No, it doesn't. Like, you could definitely take it more for another risk to reward just to take it to this pivot and toward the zone right over here. So it does not bother me at all. And it's, you know, the liquid 50 is in the buy zone. It was holding.
Yeah, it's definitely bull biased. I like that a lot, actually.
Whenever you take a loss, you cannot be like, oh, it's over. You know, I lost fucking money. You gotta, you know, take your emotions out of the fucking game and think about, okay, so what do I know? You know, possibly look for a re-entry and then possibly look for a better setup. You know, you can't just be like, okay, one lose and I'm out for the day. It's not like the right mindset. The only thing I don't like about EU at the moment is just because like it's almost at max ADR, in my opinion. I mean,
Yeah.
it doesn't have like, I mean, Eurocat definitely has more room to take it up to the upside, and then there's like divergence right there, so it's stopping you out. So I mean, there's no way I want to take this right now as an A1, especially an A1, because of the divergence right here, in this divergence zone. So that's what's keeping me out. But we'll see if your NZD presents a entry. It is pulling back right now, which is, you know, it bounced off this divergence zone, the actual divergence zone. So this is the actual divergence zone that we see from here. So as price was falling, our side was rising. This is the actual divergence zone. This is not. It is some sort of a divergence zone, but we call this kind of like a retest divergent line zone or whatever. This is the actual divergence zone that you know, it's basically the last level we look for on divergence whenever we look for a D1 or D2. So if it bounces from this level, that's something that you know, clearly it could be a bullish sign. So we'll see. I want it for it to break the 50 and then retest, and then possibly maybe I'll look for a re-entry. You gotta follow that Euro bias.
Hey, Jace, what do you think about an ECAD D1?
I love it. I fucking love it, bro. I think it's clean.
Yeah.
I love the higher time frames. I love, you know, how, you know, there's divergence, but, you know, there's enough risk to reward to take it up. I love it. I'm just basically looking for like a clean break of the 50 and then possibly a clean break of the 200.
Yeah, no, I definitely gotta wait for structure to confirm that one, you know?
Because it's choppy right now, but I feel like it definitely has a lot of fucking potential to take it up today.
Yeah.
Alright, so right now it's pushing up on your NZD. I want it to break the 50, retest, and then I'll look for a re-entry. Something that I kind of want to see basically is what was I fucking thinking? forgot my thought. Dang it. All right. So it's spelling this little high right over here. Ian is shooting up right now. So on EN, it's shooting up. It broke the 50 right now. So we'll look for a retest on that. You know, usually on our entries, guys, we're mostly really early, not wrong. You know, you guys cannot like take a loss and say, okay, I'm done for the day. You know, look for the reentry, guys. You know, don't chase the trade. Don't get me wrong. If your emotions are you're emotional as fuck, don't fucking do anything because you're gonna be like, shit, I'm fucking, you know, I'm being emotional right now. But if the reentry presents, like, guys, take it. You know, and it's pushing up right now with a lot of momentum. So that's clearly something you want to see on that fucking divergence zone.
And it seems like a lot of other people are watching ECAD with us.
Yeah, I fucking love ECAD. We're just basically waiting for a break of the structure, a confirmation of the structure, and then a break of the structure. What is this music? Man, YouTube fucking sucks. I wish we could just play like fucking good ass music. Get some rap in here. Right now it's just going up, guys. So what I want to see is basically a retest and then we take it long.
Why is the sterling so weak right now? I don't understand.
It's because it's Monday, bro.
There was some fundamental bullshit going on with the pound. I don't understand. Always some fundamental bullshit.
Bum, 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 bum. I like Eurocat a lot.
Yeah, I just gotta present.
Yeah, Liquid 50 is still in the sell zone. I wanted to start rising and then structure.
I mean, it's making a higher low technically right now.
Yeah. So
This is a
I
whole-
wouldn't honestly, anyone who's watching this, I don't want to don't fucking trade the first break of the 50 on this shit. Like this, look at these wicks and this rejection right over here. Clearly, don't fucking do that. I mean, you guys can if the Liquid 50 goes in a buy zone, and then it starts making higher highs. But I'm looking for a retest, and then enter on that retest. All right, so looking for a retest. So if it holds the 50, I'm getting in again. I'm re-entering. Look at this pin. Look at this fucking pin, guys.
On what, yen?
On your NZD. That's so fucking funny. Look at the 15-minute pin, bro.
Jesus Christ.
It's still holding the 50, so we'll see.
I'm not even touching that, bro. It's gonna break and I'm gonna catch it short.
Shut up. I think, yeah, I'm just looking for a retest and a clean bounce on that.
Honestly, I
Ooh.
might take EG short depending on if it presents a lower high and crosses back under the 50. Because right now I don't like the risk to reward,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not a big fan of just the price structure on the higher time frames.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense.
But if it presents a lower, like it has got divergence start set and confirmed in the 1 hour. If it presents a lower high and it has good structure, I might enter, but I don't know yet.
Mm-hmm.
Do not know.
On EuroCAD right now, looks like it's making a higher low.
On the 1 minute?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what it appears to do.
it's holding the zone, this level right over here, so that's something I like to see.
I wonder if Austin's gonna edit out the part where we talked about like relationships and crazy shit like that in that interview.
We did?
Yeah, like briefly, and I was like, "What the fuck are we talking about?"
Hopefully he doesn't. A lot of people can learn from the masters here. Just kidding.
Oh my god.
What did we even talk about in the interview, bro? Like, I don't even fucking remember.
I don't know, but EU is falling through the floor right now.
I
Or
know. I'm looking.
EC.
I'm looking at it.
This is Mondays.
Bro, I'm fucking looking at I'm looking at fucking her thumbnail, bro. I'm just looking at myself.
Oh my god, dude.
I was like, oh, that's fucking. It's a cute guy. I guess that Monday show.
You're fucking ridiculous. I'll go to the bathtub. I'll be right back.
All right. Yeah, you were kind of falling off the roof. Looks like it's falling off the roof. Bum, 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 bum. We'll see what we do here. Bum, 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 bum. You still gotta keep that bias, guys. You know, I'm just gonna be emotional right now. If a reentry presents, fucking presents, and I'm taking it. I feel like we're just seeing some kind of indecision in price structure. The liquid 50 is still not it's not like fully falling, so I feel like we're gonna see some momentum on this. Hey Barrett. This guy sure takes a long time to go to the restroom.
Yes.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Gotta make sure it's all out.
Oh my god. Did you see your Euro JBP?
God damn, EJ's falling fast. Holy shit.
I like EuroCAD though.
Oh, EuroCAD? One
Yeah.
second, let me check this out. Off of what time frame?
EuroCAD?
Yeah, I forgot.
It's a D1 on the 1 minute.
Okay, there we go.
Damn, bro, you need to go fucking sleep. Holy shit.
Dude, I know, man. I know, it's bad. It's fucking bad. Oh.
I honestly like EuroCAD, so if Rancher presents,
Oh, it's flying now.
I may take the first regular 50, but just small, really small risk. Like it's just gonna be kind of like one of my first entries for this pair. But I won't take it yet. I want to see some kind of like momentum on it.
Hey, watch out for EG pushing off that ADR on a D1 potentially.
Really?
No, never mind. 1 second. Let me fix this shit. It's on the one. It's on the ADR on the 1 hour at least.
Oh.
But honestly, with that momentum, it's probably should have pushed straight through to the 200. I don't know.
Mhm.
While we're waiting on the markup, though. if it makes a significant, if each C makes a significant lower high, or higher low, I mean,
Yeah.
I'll probably take it off the first break of the 50.
I got
But-
you. I'm just going really, I guess, early on it. If I see like something clean.
I don't know, man. It looks pretty clean. It's breaking the 50 right now on the 1 minute.
I know, but it's been rejecting the 50 from like the last couple of hours, so I'm just.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got in for a small, just a small entry. I'll re-add in later. It's pushing up. Oh mama, mama, oh mama.
Yeah, I'm taking a half position right now. I want to see if it rejects off the where this bar closes. But if it closes at or above the 50, I'll get in. I don't know. Do not know.
Yeah, I just entered, so I'll add in later. Let's just see more confirmation.
Yeah. Same.
Bum 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 bum. It'll be pushing up down the mountains. They'll be pushing up down the mountains. I'm gonna get my win, my loser back because the Euro bias is fucking important. Don't fucking ever quit, guys. You know, it's just not fucking quitting, guys. You guys really gotta be like fucking focused, even after a loss. For me, I only lost 0.5% today, so I mean, small loser. It could have been much bigger.
Yeah. My take profit is right at the divergence zone built on the 1 hour, so it should be.
Like what?
Should.
3R, 4R?
Who knows?
Is it like 3 or 4R? Is that 3 to 4R for you?
It's like a 2.5 or something like that.
2.5.
With spread, yeah.
Bro, my first entry toward the pivot, that's 2R, toward the divergence zone, it's 4R, around 4.5R.
I don't know, bro. I'm no. Wait, what level is your take profit located?
Take profit is, the first level will be 155568.
1556.
And then the second will be 155695.
Okay. Yeah, no, my first take profit is at 2R at 15565.
Oh, okay. It's not that far off.
Yeah, no, but I mean, I could take this all the way to ADR. It depends on where it's going, really.
Yeah.
Daily is still has bull bias, so.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking for the liquid 50 to get back in the buy zone and see a retest, and I'll add in.
Yeah. DXY is a German stock exchange, isn't it?
DXY?
Yeah.
No.
No, it's not, dude. I think it's something completely different.
Well, I was about to say, bro, what? You need some more coffee, brother. You want me to buy you some
Dude,
coffee?
I need some more fucking sleep is what I need.
Take some pre-workout, bro.
No, I'm not trying to fucking vibrate in my fucking bed.
Wait. Wait, am I reading this right? Someone saying EuroCAD, or is that EU?
You're gonna talk about EU.
Oh, okay, I was about to fucking say, you guys are fucking, like, you guys need to check. Because EuroCAD is definitely the best pair so far today, by far. Higher time frame bias, liquid 50, 50 minute, there's no swapping. Today, by far, this will be the best pair to trade.
Yep. It's making a significant higher low right now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I want to see it. I want to see it dip underneath the 50 again, so I can add into my position, but it might not happen.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a retest off a level, and then the liquid 50 being off, going into the buy zone.
Yeah. Honestly, if liquid 50 is in the buy zone, it retests off the 200. I might add in anyway, take a very tiny position, but I might not too. I don't know. We shall see. I'm still not crazy about the 1 hour divergence, but
It's the higher time frame buys, like 1 hour. Because like for me, like there's enough risk to reward to take it up. Like it doesn't matter for me. It doesn't really matter. But I see what you're talking about. Like from right over here.
yeah, it starts on July 14th, about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock or so.
I think whenever it comes to divergence, it could definitely play a huge role. Don't get me wrong. But whenever the pair is fucking really higher time frame bias, like throughout the whole like literally the whole higher time frames is bull bias. Like from what I see, like the 1 hour, 4 hour, and one daily, it shouldn't be something where you struggle with. I feel like with the strong higher time frame bias, like divergence shouldn't really matter. Like it should definitely play like a little small part to take enough for like risk to reward up that divergence line for sure. But it shouldn't play like a huge role because the higher time frames are really bull biased. Still going up. Looks like there's no retest. There's not going to be a retest. So I'll retest off the 50. So I'll just add in off a retest off a level. And then I want to make sure the liquid 50 is in the buy zone and the 15-minute RSIs through the TL. that's whenever I'll re-enter. This is a level that I want to see. It's just shooting up.
Are you gonna re-enter that position?
Yeah, once we see a retest and the liquid 50 goes in a buy zone.
It just broke through. It made a lower high and then broke through the 200. I might just take a smaller position now.
It's up to you. Okay, so the R side is through already, so that's one part of my entry list. Let's see what we do here. Liquid 50 is almost.
Yeah, once it holds off, as long as it doesn't reject off of the 200 in this next minute, as long as it doesn't break beneath the 200, I'm gonna re-enter with another smaller position.
Mm-hmm. I think we may see, maybe if it breaks below the 200, we could see a retest off the 50. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep, not entering right now.
Yeah, I think we'll see a retest of the 50.
Hopefully.
Liquid 50 is still in the, it's literally rising, so it may see it go up in the buy zone.
I might enter, depending on how price structure looks, I might also look to enter on the as D1 off of EG. It's coming off of ADR.
Yeah, I want to see what we do. I want the liquid 50, like on the next minute, the 1 minute close. It's probably gonna pull the liquid 50 up to the buy zone.
On EC?
Yeah. So let's see. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Let's go. Let's see what we do. And not quite. Not yet. The next minute's probably gonna go. I think the next minute we're gonna see a pull up in the in the liquid 50, so I'll enter if it does. This looks like it's trying to reject off the 200. So once we see a pull up, I'll enter. I'll re-enter. I'll add into my position. Not quite.
Not there yet, but it's getting there.
It's getting there slowly. Fucking slowly. Yeah, we'll probably see a retest on the 50, I believe.
It's fine by me. I've got my stop way below that, so.
Bum, 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 bum. And it's literally fucking touching the zone. Dun, dun, dun. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god. Did you read what they said?
What?
They said Barrett looks like the Arnold Schwarzenegger in Terminator.
Perfect.
Liquid 50 is now in the buy zone.
Nice.
About 6 pips of risk on that. Actually, a little bit more than that, actually. Bum, bum. Hooah. Yo, Barry, my recruiter didn't respond to me.
What do you mean?
I was asking him about something, he just didn't respond.
We'll keep bugging them.
Alright.
That's all you can do, really.
Yeah. Thank God I didn't go to jail today. I mean, this weekend. Because we
Because
had,
of Rona?
yeah, we had online. I mean, yeah, of course. Because I can't just skip jail. Pretty sure I'll fucking go
Right.
to, pretty sure I'll just go to fucking jail if I do.
Nah, people do it all the time.
In our unit? No.
No, not in your unit because they're scared, but
Yeah. I was watching a video of Special Forces, National Guard. What do you think about that?
they're cool dudes. It's hard to have a regular job, so it works out well if you're a trader. Um,
I think it's
it
so
just
fucking
depends,
cool.
man.
Yeah, like being a Green Beret, like National Guard, bro. That's fucking lit.
It's beret, but yeah.
Shut up. Literally everyone I've heard says beret.
Yeah.
Well, fuck. Beret. So the Green Berets. Isn't that so cool though? Like having like a part-time job, and then as well as like fucking like being a Green Beret. Like that's so sick.
Yeah, dude, it's fucking awesome, man. But it takes a while. You gotta get. It takes a while.
Cause like all the active duty berets, like berets or whatever, like they're in Fort Braggs or whatever. So, but like imagine being
So
like a National Guard Special Force and you're stationed in Tampa, Florida.
yeah,
That's lit. Right next to the beach, the college. That's what I'm talking about. But like I feel like they get deployed way more often than normal. Than normal like guard units. Ooh, it's pushing up. Let's go.
nice. Did you re-enter already?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do that now.
Wait, so is there a thing called like National Guard, like Ranger school, or like being a Ranger?
So now you can't be a ranger; it's only active duty. But
Oh, okay.
you can do Green Beret. You can be a Special Forces in the National Guard. Yeah.
What about like being like special forces in the Coast Guard, like trying to be like Navy SEALs or something like that, like part time?
I don't know if the SEALs have any reserve forces. I don't think so.
Hmm. That would be lit.
ECAD is fallen.
Yeah, we're gonna see a retest on that.
It's falling hard. Hot damn.
Ooh, it is. That's a big fucking bar right there.
Yeah, it is. All the E pairs are falling real fucking hard right now. Holy shit. Did news just break?
I have no idea. Probably some breaking news.
Fuck.
What?
I just got stopped.
Yeah, me too, buddy.
God damn. Holy shit, man.
Well, on my first
What the
position,
fuck was that?
I got stopped out at profit, so I didn't lose too much money right there.
Nah, I took a loss.
But on the second position, I got stopped out, so basically a little bit of break even for this.
What the fuck?
Bum bum bum. what we have here.
I'm checking Forex Factor right now. The only thing that happened was
AUD, nothing. I don't see anything.
I see a little bit. President Macron of France says that there was hope for a compromise.
That's 44 minutes ago, though.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know why it took.
I think Euro News is they're having some meetings on Euro News.
Jesus.
God, that's funny.
I might take EN short now because it's now crossing the 50 on the 1 hour.
Oh my God. I think like fucking I think just because we're having some meetings for the Euro, I think the European Union right now, like they're negotiating like a stimulus deal. I think. Yeah, stimulus deal basically for I guess like for the European Union. So I think that's maybe what's affecting Europairs right now. Maybe some idiot tweeted something. I don't know. I love just going to forums and just say like, oh my God, didn't anyone fucking pull that gold short, or like, do you guys see the news? It's fucking insane. Bum, bum, bum. We're at this pivot right here. So let's see what we do here. That's quite unfortunate.
You hate to see it.
I hope they won't agree today. I have some sell orders below. Let's have some fall before positive news tomorrow. Funny thing is, zero's already gone up because of being passed. It's already priced in, but on the rumor selling news. I hope they won't agree today. I have some sell orders below. Oh my God, typical fucking comments. Yeah, so there is like they did have some meetings on Euro. Looks like it was just about the stimulus deal.
Some bullshit.
Eurocat is still falling. It is what it is.
Yep.
You win and you lose.
Caught or bust.
Yeah. Oh my God. This is nothing, bro. That's nothing. Literally, I remember fucking last year when Trump was being an idiot on Twitter. That was fucking insane. I remember one Friday, literally, all the USD pairs went up like 100 pips, 200 pips, because of that tweet.
I love it, bro. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna go get some breakfast.
Alrighty. I'm actually wondering though, like what actually caused it, because I know it's obviously news related about the stimulus deal, most likely, but I want to know why. Why they be doing this to us? I bet they call out motherfuckers just like us. We got stopped out as well. I know, like with like live streaming, like Wix don't lie. Fucking like, you know, you get like crazy chats where like, you know, fuck news. I want to see what they're saying. EJ Cell, you give signals? Oh my god. Ted, gotcha. Boop. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm not a bad guy. He was just talking some crap to me. I just want to see what people saying about that Euro news. If maybe they know something about it. But looks like they have no fucking clue either, which is perfect. Yep. Well, there you go. I think this was it. $1.55. Yeah, I agree. I totally agree with EuroCAD. I feel like we're still gonna see we're still gonna see bull bias on it. Obviously, it's just like literally like the liquid 50 is still there. Just quite unfortunate that the news was right there, where it literally fucked us up. But I honestly think we're still gonna see that idea pop up. So I may look for a re-entry later. But it looks like it was, I guess, like with the union, trying to do some, I guess, stimulus checks, stimulus grants, or whatever, to accept Euro, $390 billion for grants, and then as well as stimulus as well for the European Union. So that's most likely what happened. Maybe we got finally But yes, sir.
Jace, you still with me?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yeah, I feel like we on your account we're still gonna see bull bias. And I'm like, you can't like look at the fucking liquid 50 right there. It's literally fucking flat. That's the perfect liquid 50 right there. And it's rising. It's been on the incline since about 4:45. Actually, what, like fucking 1 a.m., 2 a.m. my time. But yeah, the end of the Asian session basically. So around like 1 a.m. it's been, the liquid 50 has been on the incline. So like you can't fight that. So I honestly think we're gonna see another reentry. It's quite unfortunate that that we lost some goods on that, but it is what it is. On EuroCAD, yeah. There's divergence on the 1 hour. Right over here. As price is rising, RSI is falling. Nah, it's not the issue, brother. Literally all the higher time frames are bull bias. All the higher time frames are bull bias. Liquid 50, you guys can't fight the liquid 50. Come on, it's literally perfectly in the buy zone right now. It's on the incline since 1 a.m. my time. The divergence, it is divergent, but that wasn't the issue that caused that 1 minute collapse. It was definitely news related. That's not a normal bar. And I know we're having
No, it's not.
on EuroCAD. That's literally a normal bar right there. Hey guys, what's going on? So it took about an entry on the first break on EuroCAD, and then basically we're pushing up. I entered again. I locked my stop at break even on the first entry, and I guess with news related, like this big fucking bar just literally collapsed both entries. So I got this one stopped at basically like a little bit into profit, and then this one as a loss. So we're down for the day. Not down a whole lot, but we're gonna still keep at it. I feel like with this long bias on your CAD, we could possibly see a re-entry on that. So I'm just gonna wait, see if there's a re-entry. We're a little unfortunate. I know US 100, I was watching this last night. Really bull biased, but I didn't see anything on my watch list in the morning, so I wasn't really looking at it. I'll be right back.
Really glad I took ECAD with half position though.
Alrighty, I'm back. What'd I miss? Looks like your cat's still falling.
Preservation of style, it's really about appreciating and celebrating these old world things in the new world. The first step to being...
Man, I've been getting a lot of bots fucking targeting my Instagram.
I'm not technologically savvy, so I wanted to have a website that sort of was simple, stylish, and communicated what I wanted to show. And it was very simple. I then needed to figure out how am I going to communicate with all of these people. I went to my dashboard.
Yeah, the 1 minute shit on your CAD, and it's falling right now. I still like how the Liquid 50 bias is, so probably like around 8 or 9 p.m. So 2 hours, we're still gonna see a rise.
Oh, Ian.
What is it doing?
It's falling.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Did you take that short?
I might.
Oh, shut up, bro.
What?
You're gonna fucking take it short, I'm fucking dead.
The only thing that's keeping me from taking it short is that there's massive bull bias right now on euro pairs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Other than that, it's looking pretty good for a short.
Just quite unfortunate. There's breaking news about the coronavirus protein treatment trial, a breakthrough. Parliament. What does it say? So Parliament results of a clinical trial on not Parliament, preliminary, whatever. Result of a clinical trial suggests a new treatment of the COVID-19 dramatically reduces the number of patients needed for intensive care. According to the UK company that developed it, the treatment from Southampton-based biotech Cyanogen or whatever used a protein called interferon beta, which the body produces when it gets a viral infection. The protein is inhaled directly into the lungs of patients with coronavirus using a nebulizer in the hope that it will stimulate an immune response. The initial findings suggest that the treatments cut the odds of a COVID-19 patient in hospital developing a severe disease such as something. So maybe it could be that could have been the news that affected Euro USD. Maybe. I don't know. I still think it's probably going to be it was the European Union talks.
Yeah, the only thing I probably wouldn't take EN short right now just because you've got that whole summit to go. But granted, it's been holding that level of 1747 ish for the last like week.
Mm-hmm.
So
from right over here, yeah.
And it's just under the 800 EMA.
Mm-hmm. On EuroCAD, I feel like since it's like the Liquid 50 is flat right now, so I feel like we're probably gonna see retest of the 200, which is almost close to the daily pivot, maybe close to daily pivot, and then we're gonna see a rise on later of the day, most likely. But I don't know if I'll take it because it's out of my hours. But yeah, we ended the session a little bit red, but it's okay. You know, we're still up in the month. We're still up in the last 2 weeks. I think that's what's important, to be honest. It's all about the year-to-year growth. It's all about the month-to-month growth. It's all about long-term. You know, there's going to be losers in trading. There's always going to be losers. And it's just quite fucking unfortunate that EuroCAD, you know, like, it looked really fucking good. Not going to lie. You know, we saw, I totally thought we were going to see a lot of momentum. But, you know, with that big bullish fucking bar, it got Ryan, it got me, it got a few people too, so it is what it is.
It damn near killed your boy.
Oh my god. But I think that's pretty much it for the stream. I really think on EuroCAD we're probably gonna see a rise today. So I don't know if I'll take it off the 200 EMA, We'll see. But yeah. Hopefully you guys fucking enjoy the stream. You guys literally saw me lose money right in front of your eyes, so. So you guys could fucking.
Gotta love it.
So I'm actually down like about 0.60% for the day. So it's not a lot. It's not like it's fucking like enormous or anything like that. Like it's less than 1%. And again, like I was up 9% on the month. So I'm still green for the month. I'm still green for the week. But I don't really matter. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, and we're probably gonna see more momentum. We're probably gonna see cleaner fucking trades. And yeah, if you guys fucking enjoy the stream, let me know if there's any questions that I can help you guys with. DM me on Instagram or anything like that. And yeah, I'll fucking see you guys later. All right.
Deuces.
All right.
Are you still live streaming?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know when you end that, because what the hell's going on with your sergeant? I want to talk to you about that.